What's good, y'all? Today we are going to be making some tasty cranberry jerk jackfruit black bean egg rolls. Yeah, high in protein, sweet with a nice spicy flair jackfruit flavor. It's going to be real good. So the ingredients I'll be using will be canned black beans, vegan Worcestershire sauce, canned cranberry sauce, canned jackfruit, and this is my special Epi's marinade, which is a blend of green onions, green peppers, spices, and bell peppers. So yeah, we're gonna get that mixed in. And I'll also be using hearts of palm in the mix as well. So here I have the hearts of palms chopped up. I'm gonna be mixing it with the jackfruit. That'll be kind of like my mock chicken or mock meat consistency. I have the jackfruit already boiled up and now just ready to be nice and brown. Now it's time to begin marinating them babies. So now that I shredded the jackfruit, I'm gonna marinate it and mix it nice and well into the Epi's. So if you didn't know, Epi's is a Haitian marinade, usually used as an essential for all savory dishes. But yeah, a base makes everything taste fire. So I have that mixed in, and my goal is to really just brown this first and then later on add in the cranberry, black bean, and jerk flavors. But right now I just really want to get the jackfruit and the heart of palm nice, brown, and flavorful. Always be sure to keep an eye on it. I like to use a non-stick pan just because it gets it a nice brown color and the texture that I want. So yeah, I highly recommend using a non-stick pan. I honestly love how versatile jackfruit is. You can use it as like a mock chicken. You could use it as a pulled pork. Literally, it's about being as creative as you can, man. But yeah, I love me some jackfruit. And you can always get it fresh, but again, that just takes a little bit more time and effort. So I like to use my canned jackfruit, get it at my local Asian store, or you can get it nowadays, at local Sprouts, Whole Foods, health stores like that. So I'm gonna drain the beans, and as the jackfruit kind of gets brown, I will soon add them in. So let's take a look. Check out that jackfruit and heart of palms. As you can see, it's getting nice and brown. And that is what I'm aiming for. Nice cooked brown jackfruit heart of palm mixed, nicely marinated. So here we could use fresh cranberries, but I'm gonna be using canned because it's easier. You might also be wondering, where the hell did the cranberry come from? So I kind of wanted to add a nice sweet component in the dish. So the jerk jackfruit was kind of, oh damn lighting fail. So what happens? Reality of content creating. But yeah, back to that. I wanted to add a nice sweet component since there's already that spicy flavorful. This is one of my favorite jerk seasonings from Sprouts that I really love. Very flavorful, and it doesn't have salt, so you can add as much for flavor and still be able to control the salt content, which is awesome. I'm also going to throw in some ground ginger. You can use fresh ginger. This just adds another nice flavor kick to the mix. Now you cannot tell me that looks like some bomb mock meat. The bottom is getting a little browny blacky, but we're gonna mix that in well to make sure it doesn't get too overcooked. But again, this is kind of like the color that I'm looking for, and kind of a slightly overcooked texture, just so it's not so soft. So I'm gonna make sure that's just all getting nice and brown. Then I'm gonna add in the black beans with the rest of the seasonings, just so it can all mix well, become a nice tasty mixture. I ended up cutting some bell peppers, adding that in there and allowing it to cook. Now let's take a look at them jackfruit pieces. Me trying to get this thing to freaking auto focus. If you don't focus. Well, anyways, the texture was extremely meaty. It was delicious. This was the harder part of the jackfruit. But yeah, it was delicious, full of flavor. And this is the bean mix that we will be using as our filling. So as you can see, like, the cranberry is already cooked inside, so it's all a nice, sweet, savory mixture. Mountain on the morning, mountain on the morning, mountain on the morning, mountain on the morning, hey, honey, hey, you so sweet. Honey, you're so sweet. Honey, yeah, sing it with me. Honestly, some of my kitchen cooking essentials is good music and good vibes. So I like to turn on just got do all of my good stuff that I like to do. But yeah, chill good vibes. It's me trying to get additional content for other platforms. I'm gonna get footage for Instagram on my stories. If you're not already following me on Instagram, follow me at Chef Geannie, baby. So let's get into the filling. So I have my spring roll wrappers here, and the side is some cornstarch water just to seal the ends. I'm gonna be filling them in, and making them as full as I can. I could have made them more full. You don't have to seal the ends like this. You could just seal the ends at the end or at the top. No. Make sure they're nice and full, but again, not too full, just so they don't burst open. And once you're ready to fry, throw them inside of some hot oil until they're nice and crispy brown. Be sure to keep an eye on them babies though. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the family, baby.